Introduction to Decimals. Objectives: understanding decimal numbers, place value chart of the decimal numbers, expanding form of decimal numbers. A decimal is another way to write a fraction. Decimals in We use decimals every day while dealing with money, weight, length, etc. We need them in order to measure things precisely. We know that fraction is a part of whole. Let's take a cube and divide it into 10 equal parts. Each part represents 1/10. Two parts together represent 2/10, and 5 parts together represent 5/10, and so on. All these 10 parts stack together and make 10/10 equal to 1. Further, cut this stack into 10 equal parts in the perpendicular direction to the previous dissected direction. Then we get 100 equal parts. Each part represents 1/100ths. 3 parts together represent 300ths, and 4 parts together represent 400ths, and so on. Now divide each of this 1/100th into 10 equal parts. Then each small cube obtained is called 1,000th part. Deci means 10th part. 1/10 is the 10th part of 1. 100th is the 10th part of 1/10. 1,000th is the 10th part of 100th. 6 by 10, 5 by 100, 4 by 1000 are the fractions whose denominators are 10 powers. The fractions in which the denominators are 10, 100, 1000, etc. are known as decimal fractions. 6 by 10, 5 by 100, 4 by 1000 are decimal fractions. 20 plus 1 plus 6 by 10 plus 5 by 100. The decimal has two parts. They are the whole number part and decimal part. 20 plus 1 equals to 21, whole number part. 6 by 10 plus 5 by 100 is the decimal part, and it is represented as 21.65. To understand this, let's observe the place value chart. 10 thousands, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. When we move from right to left, place value increases by 10 times. And when we move from left to right, the place value decreases by 1/10 of place value. If we move to the right from one place value, the new place values obtained must be 1 by 10th, 1 by 100th, and so on. Whole number part, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Decimal part, tenths, hundredths, thousands, and so on. This fractional part is usually separated from the whole number by the means of a dot called the decimal point. While reading a decimal number, read all the digits together in whole number part, whereas in the decimal part, we have to read each digit separately. 21.65 place, and 5 is in the 100th place. That is 2 tens, 1 ones, point, 6 1/10ths, 5 hundredths. This number should be read as 21.65, 5 hundredths. This number should be read as 21.65. When a common fraction with denominator 10 or 100 and so on is converted into a decimal, number of decimal places formed are equal to the number of zeros in the denominator of the given ordinary fraction. 3 by 10 represents 3/10. 3 by 10 equals to .3 or 0.3. We read as 0.3 or 0.3. 25 by 100 represents 25 hundredths. 25 by 100 equals to 0.25 or 0.25, read as 0.25 or 0.25. If the number of digits in the numerator is less than the number of zeros in the denominator, we write zeros on the left side in the decimal. One by 100 represents 1/100th. 1 by 100 equals to 0.01 or 0.01, read as 0.01 or 0.01. 24 by 1000 represents 24,000. 24 by 1000 equals to 0.024 or 0.024, read as 0.024 or 0.024. If the number of digits in the numerator is greater than the number of zeros in the denominator, we count the number of digits as equal to the number of zeros from the right side, and we write a decimal. 2358 by 1000 equals to 2.358, read as 2.358. Here, whole number part is 2 and decimal part is 358. 137 by 100 equals to 1.37, read as 1.37. Here, whole number part is 1 and decimal part is 37. Few decimal numbers and their expanded forms. 0.005, 5 thousandths. 100.6, 106 tenths. 2.28, 2 and 28 hundredths. 71.062, 71 and 62 thousandths. 3.0589, 3 and 589 ten thousandths.